Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Just for your information, the language here is in fact Jingpo, one of the Kachin languages. In this episode, we're going to talk about basic introduction. Where are you from? Nang Gara Kotna Rai. Nang Gara Kotna Rai. It's helpful to know the meanings of individual words and grammar pattern. So here we go. Nang, you. Nang, you. Gara, which. Gara, which. Kotna, from. Kotna, from. So when we combine which from, Gara Kotna, it means from where. Gara Kotna, from where. Rai, rai. Rai is the question word we use at the end of WH question. So altogether, Nang Gara Kotna Rai, where are you from? The structure will look like this. Nang, you. Gara Kotna, from where? In the end, the question word Rai. Nang Gara Kotna Rai, you from where? In this question, the key phrase we need to remember is Gara Kotna. Gara Kotna. Then you can make the question yourself. The structure is you from where? At the end, the question word Rai. So if you know the word from where, Gara Kotna, you can simply make the question Nang Gara Kotna Rai. One more time. Nang Gara Kotna Rai. So remember the phrase, the key phrase, Gara Kotna. The answer is Ngai Go Michna Kotna Re. Ngai Go Michna Kotna Re. I am from Michna. Ngai, I, go, am, verb to be, am. Michna. Michna is the capital city of Kachin State. It's a beautiful city. Kotna, from. Kotna, from. Re is a word we use at the end of a statement when we want to confirm that that statement is true. If you get the structure, I am, place, from, re, then you can construct your own sentences. Shall we do one sentence together? Let's say you are from Yangon. Then you can go, Ngai Go, place, Yangon, Kotna Re. Ngai Go, Yangon Kotna Re.